Good morning, students. So in previous video we are discussing about part C questions. In part C totally 14 questions. Out of 14 questions, attempt 10 in 10 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. That is question number 25 to question number 38. Now here let us discuss about question number 34 up to question number 33 already solved. Okay. Now question number 34 belongs to under which topic? That is differential equation topic. Particularly in differential equation, which part? That is separating the variable part. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Separating the variables. Okay, as well as particular solutions. So question number 34 belongs to separating the variables as well as particular solution. Okay. Now based on that we will discuss some important problems. Now here 34th question purely under differential equation, particularly separating the variables as well as particular solution. Now here in 34th question, first one, 3 mark question. Verify the function y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x, where a and b are real number, is a solution of differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0 or not. Now it means whether this function satisfies this differential equation or not. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ y is given, we should prove that d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Let's verify. Now here given data y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Now first to find out first order differentiate. Now dy by dx is equal to a is constant tane, derivative of cos x with respect to x you know minus sin x, plus b constant, derivative of sin x is cos x. Now that is minus a sin x plus b cos x. This is first order. Now once again differentiate. Derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square is equal to minus a constant as it is, derivative of sin x cos x, plus b, derivative of cos x is with respect to x minus sin x, that is minus a cos x plus into minus b sin x. Okay. Now here among these two take minus sign common, a cos x plus b sin x. Okay. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus a cos x plus b sin x, given data y, right? Therefore d square y by dx square take equal on right side plus y is equal to 0. Therefore equation 1 satisfies the differential equation. Therefore equation 1 satisfies the differential equation. Equation 1 satisfies the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Okay. 3 mark. 34th question purely differential equation dal barutte. Okay. Next problem. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Similarly find the general solution of the differential equation e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y dy is equal to 0. Now here how to solve? Now verify whether given differential equation is it separated? No. So working rule for solving the solution of first order and first degree differential equation by separating the variables. How to solve? First step, convert given differential equation is of the form or can be written in the form in general say f of x dx plus g of y dy is equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೈ ಡಿ ವೈ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, convert differential equation is of the form or can be written in the form. In general, say f of x dx plus g of y dy is equal to 0. This is step number 1. Step number 2, once it is separate, integrate both sides. We get integral of f of x with respect to x plus integral of g of y with respect to y is equal to integral of 0 constant. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Is it separated? Means like x dx one side, y dy another side? No, first you have to separate it. Now this implies ಈ 1 plus y square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, dx ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx by 1 plus x square, or 1 by 1 plus y square into dy minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to 0. Clearly variables are separated, y dy one side, x dx another side. Once it is separate, what can you do? Integrate. Now integrate equation 2. We get ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 divided by 1 plus y square with respect to y minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square with respect to x, integral of 0 constant c. Then integrate. You know the formula, standard result. Integral of 1 by 1 plus y square, standard result, what is that? Tan inverse of y. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse of x is equal to c. So equation 3 is this is a solution of given differential equation 1. 3 mark. First separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then integrate. Okay. Whereas third one, same question, find the general solution of e power x tan y into dx plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y dy is equal to 0. Verify whether given differential equation is it separated? No. Illi nodri e power x dx okay, but here middle term is tan y, another variable joined, so that eliminate that tan y. Here secant square y dy okay, but here e power x variable is there, eliminate that one. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಬೈ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ? ಟ್ಯಾನ್ y ಬೇಡ, ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಡಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ y ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? e power x tan y divided by tan y into 1 minus e power x. Tan y cancel. E power x by 1 minus e power x dx, right? 1 minus e power x secant square y by this. These two cancel. Secant square y by tan y into dy is equal to 0 by that value, 0. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, next step, integrate. Integrate equation 2. We get integrate equation 2. We get. So integral of e power x by 1 minus e power x with respect to x plus integral of secant square y by tan y with respect to y is equal to integral of 0 constant c. Right? Now apply particular case. Integrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Now as you know that particular case, integral of f dash x divided by f of x with respect to x, integral of f dash x by f of x with respect to x. Its integral value log of the denominator, log of mod f of x plus c. It means the numerator is the derivative of denominator. Its integral always equal to log of the denominator. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 1? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್, because minus into minus plus, no change. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ its answer is minus log of the denominator, minus log of mod 1 minus e power x. Similarly, the numerator is the derivative of denominator. Derivative of tan y with respect to y, secant square y is there in the numerator. So its integral value log of the denominator, log of mod tan y is equal to c constant. See, it is constant. Then we can write log c also, because log c is also constant. c constant, 2 constant, 3, 5, 7 all are constant. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು log operate ಮಾಡಿದರೆ again it will become constant. So we can write log c. Now put tan y is equal to m, 1 minus e power x is n. It is in the form log m minus log n. By using laws of logarithm, log m minus log n is equal to what? Log of m upon n. M value tan y by n value 1 minus e power x is equal to log c. Right? Now resolve log on both sides. Redu kade log tagad bidi. So that tan y divided by 1 minus e power x is equal to c. So this is equation 3 is a solution of the differential equation 1. Okay, first separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, then integrate. Okay, simple integration. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. Okay, so the numerator is the derivative of denominator. Its integral always equal to log of the denominator. Okay, find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to e power x plus y. First step, before solving the problem, verify whether given differential equation is it separated. No, separate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? x dx one side, y dy another side. It is not separated. Now separate it. So dy by dx is equal to e power x plus y. Using laws of indices we can write e power x into e power y. You know that a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ. So e power x plus y is equal to e power x into e power y. Then separate it. Now cross multiply. That dx goes to here. Take e power y goes to here. So that dy by e power y is equal to e power x dx. Or meaning of 1 by e power y is minus e power minus y dy. Take equal on right side. Minus e power x dx is equal to 0. Now clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, next step, integrate. Integrate equation 2. We get integral of e power minus y with respect to y minus integral of e power x with respect to x is equal to integral of 0, constant c. Then integrate. Integral of e power minus y, that is e power minus y divided by coefficient of y is minus 1, minus integral of e power x is e power x is equal to c. This implies minus sign as it is. Meaning of e power minus y is 1 by e power y minus e power x is equal to c. Now therefore equation 3 is a solution of the given differential equation 1. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ differential equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಅದನ್ನು equation ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, right? Whereas fifth one, solve or find the general solution of the differential equation y log y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Verify whether given data is it separated. No, here y ide dx ide, so eliminate that one. So what can you do? Divide equation 1 by idralli yavudu bad agide y log y, idralli yavudu beda dy ide x beda, ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. See what happened? Y log y dx divided by y log y into x. Those two cancel. Dx divided by x minus x cancel. Dy divided by y log y is equal to 0 by that value is 0. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, next step integrate. Integrate equation 2. Integrate equation 2. We get integral of 1 by x with respect to x minus integral of 1 by y log y with respect to y, integral of 0 c constant. Now that is implies integral of 1 by x dx minus integral of 1 by y log y can be written as, we can write like this, 1 by y divided by log y with respect to y is equal to c. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ it will become same term, right? Now apply particular case. Clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ derivative of x 1 ತಾನೆ, so its integral value log of mod denominator minus, again apply particular case. Clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator because derivative of log y 1 by y is there in the numerator. Yes, its integral value log of mod denominator log of mod log y is equal to c constant. Then we can write log c is also constant, that is c it is a number 2 3 4 5 like that. Log 2 that is also constant. Okay, so this implies put mod x equal to m, mod of log y is equal to n, log m minus log n, laws of logarithm, log of m by n, x divided by log y is equal to log c. Now resolve log on both sides. Modulus of x by log y is equal to c. Therefore equation 3 is a solution of the given differential equation 1. Okay, first separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then integrate. Okay, next problem, find the equation of the curve passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 given that the slope of tangent to the curve at any point is 2x by y square. Nodri idu purely it is differential equation, not applications of differentiation. Now here given data, word problem, to convert that statement into differential equation ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, slope of tangent to the curve, you know the formula, slope of tangent denoted by what, dy by dx, slope of tangent denoted by dy by dx is equal to 2x by y square. This is the differential equation. Then solve it. Before solving, verify whether given differential equation is it separated or not. It is not separated. Separate it, cross multiply. Y square goes to here. Y square dy is equal to 2x dx, or y square dy minus 2x dx is equal to 0. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, integrate. Integrate equation 2. We get integral of y square with respect to y minus integral of 2x with respect to x is equal to integral of 0 constant c. Then integrate. it is in the form x power n. You know the formula for integral of x power n. Integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. The value of n is here 2. That is y power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 3. Right? Minus 2 constant take outside. Integral of x power 1. Put n is equal to 1. N value is 1. 1 plus 1, that is x power 2 by 2 is equal to c. 2 cancel. So, y square y cube divided by 3 minus x square is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now, to find the equation of the curve passes through the point. Now, as this curve means equation 3 passes through the point, to find the value of c, so that as this equation passes through the point minus 2 comma 3 means put x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, put y is 3 cube by 3 minus x value minus 2 square is equal to c. Implies 3 cube 27 by 3 minus 2 square is 4 is equal to c. 3 ones are 3 nines are. Therefore, c is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. We got c value. Put that c value. Therefore, equation of curve, equation 3 gives y cube by 3 minus x square is equal to c value 5. Or rearrange, or y cube by 3 is equal to 5, that minus x square goes to right side, plus x square. Or cross multiply, y cube is equal to 3 of x square plus 5. Therefore, y is equal to, eliminate power 3. What can you do? Taking cube root, that is 3 power 3 into bracket x square plus 5 whole power 1 by 3. Correct? Right? Or we can write y is equal to, laws of indices 3 cancel, that is x square plus 5 whole power 1 by 3, that is cube root of x square plus 5. This is the equation of the curve passes through the point minus 2 comma 3, such that, remember, slope of tangent denoted by dy by dx. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ y is equal to 3 of x square plus 5 to the power of 1 by 3. Therefore, y is equal to, that is 3 power 1 by 3, or we can multiply 3x square, 3 5s are 15 to the power of 1 by 3. That's it. Next problem, find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to minus 4 times xy square, given that y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0. Particular solution means first to find out the general solution. After finding the general solution, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 1 in general solution. It will get the value of c. That value of c become particular solution. Now here, given data dy by dx is equal to minus 4xy square. Is it variables are separated like x dx one side, y dy another side? No, separate it. Now this implies dy by, take y square on here, is equal to minus 4x into dx, right? Or 1 upon y square dy plus 4x dx is equal to 0. Clearly, variables are separated. Once it is separate, then integrate equation 2. We get integral of 1 by y square with respect to y plus integral of 4x with respect to x, integral of 0, constant c. Then integrate. Integral of 1 by y square means what is the function of y whose derivative is 1 by y square? You know, that is minus 1 upon y, because derivative of 1 upon y is minus 1 by y square, that minus into minus plus 4 constant take outside, integral of x. Integral of x means integral of x power 1, that is x power 2 by 2 is equal to c, or minus 1 upon y, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2x square is equal to c. This is the general solution, but the question is particular solution. Now what can you do? By substituting x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation 3, x value y value substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We get minus 1 by y value 1 plus 2 x value 0 square is equal to c, minus 1 by 1 minus 1, this is 0 is equal to c, so c is equal to minus 1. Therefore particular solution, that is equation 3, gives minus 1 upon y plus 2x square is equal to c value minus 1, or minus 1 upon y is equal to minus 1 minus 2x square plus 2x square goes to right side, minus 2x square, or 1 upon y is equal to, take minus sign outside, 1 plus 2x square, that minus minus cancel. Therefore y is equal to, taking the reciprocal, 1 divided by 1 plus 2x square. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Okay, first separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಂತರ integrate ಮಾಡಿ, then by substituting x value and y value that is given, then it will get the value of c. That value of c is the particular solution. Okay, then one more problem, that is problem number 8. Find the general solution or solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. First you have to separate it. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x, right as it is, y plus xy, among these two common, y common, 1 plus x, right? So that dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x, from those two what is common? 1 plus x common, remaining value 1 plus y, 1 plus x common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 plus y. Then is it separated? No. So separate it. So cross multiply, dy by 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus x dx. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ dx ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, or 1 by 1 plus y dy, take equal on right side, minus 1 plus x dx, 1 plus x dx is equal to 0. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, next step, integrate equation 2. We get integral of 1 by 1 plus y dy, okay, minus integral of 1 plus x dx is equal to integral of 0, constant c. Then integrate, apply particular case. Clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator, differentiate denominator, derivative of 1 constant 0, derivative of y with respect to y, that is 1. So its integral value, log of the denominator, log mod of 1 plus y, minus integral of 1 with respect to x, direct integral of x, what is the function of y whose derivative is 1, that is x, because derivative of x is 1, minus into plus minus integral of x means integral of x power 1 integral of x you know the formula integral of x power n formula ಏನಿದೆ x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 the value of n is here 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 that is x power 2 by 2 is equal to c. This is therefore equation 3 is a solution of the given differential equation. Solution of differential equation 1. Okay, so totally 8 important problems. You must practice it. Each problem carries 3 marks. These 8 problems belongs to question number 34. 34 dalle varieties of problems. Yavade type barutte problems. Particularly 34th problem belongs to separating the variables and particular solutions ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾನು 8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 3 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 34 ಓವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 35 and question number 36. 2 questions 35 and 36 belongs to under which topic? That is vector algebra. Vectors ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Vectors ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 35 and 36. Again 3 marks. So we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.